Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of receiving push notifications for reminders on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Locate and click on the notification icon situated in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on the three dots next to the See All button. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. Step 5. Look for Reminders and click on it to open the settings. Step 6. Toggle on the switch next to Push to enable receiving push notifications for reminders. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to receive timely reminders through push notifications on Facebook. Never miss an important event or task again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.